Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're not subscribed, feel free to hit the subscribe button. In today's video, I'm going to be making jackfruit tacos. This is jackfruit. Make sure you get the one that says jackfruit in water, not the one in syrup, otherwise it's going to be really sweet. So let's get started. Okay, so here I have some white onion, some jalapeno, half a jalapeno, one white onion, and I think about 4 diced tomatoes. So I'm going to make the pico de gallo, is what they call it, and add everything.
As long as you can show me a good time, I don't need promises, honestly, no big deal. As long as you can show me a good time, I don't care.
So now I'm adding some cilantro, some lemon juice, squeeze some lemon onto there. You can use lime juice too, but I like lemon juice better. And now I'm adding some salt and pepper.
On me to get into all I need is short-term devotion. I don't wanna be so emotional. Just wanna dance, want a simple romance, nothing more, nothing less from you.
I'm adding more lemon juice, so 2 whole lemons is what I added. More salt, more pepper. I'm just doing this to taste, so you have to add salt and pepper to your liking. So this is the first part. I'm gonna put this in the fridge. And now let's get started on our jackfruit. So I'm gonna open this can of young green jackfruit in water. So I'm cutting this part off right here. This is the tough part, and the top part is the meaty part. So I'm adding a little bit of avocado oil to a pan. So I'm adding some red onion. I put a little bit of oil in the pan. This is about maybe a 1/4 cup of onions. And now I'm adding 2 cloves of minced garlic. And now I'm adding the jackfruit. Now I'm adding 1 teaspoon of liquid smoke. This is liquid smoke. I got it from Whole Foods. I'm adding a 1/2 teaspoon of onion powder. 1/2 teaspoon of garlic powder, 1/2 teaspoon of chili powder, 1/2 teaspoon of paprika, 1/4 teaspoon of cumin, 1/4 teaspoon of sea salt, and 1/4 teaspoon of ground pepper. Add a little bit more avocado oil.
Give me a chance to make it right. Just let me touch you like the first time. We don't need answers to survive. Just let us keep on with the black guys. With the black guys.
Okay, so my corn tortillas are done. So now I'm gonna add the jackfruit. You can do this with any flavor. Barbecue jackfruit, jerk jackfruit, anything. And I'm gonna add some of our pico from earlier. Ooh. I'm adding some of this guacamole salsa. This is really good. And there you have it. Jackfruit tacos. Okay, time for the taste test. That salsa is really good with this. And this has a really close texture to meat. You don't even need it. This is a delicious vegan meal. If you haven't tried jackfruit, try it. Okay, thank you so much for watching. You can follow me on Instagram at namnam2fitness and on Twitter. Please subscribe and I'll see you next time.
Telling black guys to keep them